2012 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, front, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, center armrest, FWD. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.